Every year, millions of people set goals with the best intentions, only to watch them fade into the background by February or maybe sooner. Why? Because goal setting is easy, but sticking to them is where the real challenge lies. The good news? There's a secret to setting goals that actually stick. Hi, I'm Angie Dobransky, your partner for Radical Success. Today, I'm sharing the ultimate goal-setting framework to help you start the year strong and stay on track. Whether you're setting goals for your business or your personal growth, these techniques will set you up for success. And stick around because I'll also share tips on staying motivated and how to track your progress so you can turn your goals into reality. Let's start with why most goals fail. The problem isn't ambition, it's in the execution. First, we have unclear goals. Vague goals like make more money or grow my business lack direction. And without clarity, it's hard to measure success. Next, we often have unrealistic expectations. Setting goals that are too big without a plan leads to frustration and burnout. And then there's no follow-through. Many people don't revisit their goals regularly. Out of sight, out of mind. Sound familiar? Don't worry, we're about to change all that. The smarter method for goal setting. And here's where it gets exciting. The secret to goal setting that sticks with using the smarter method. So let's break it down. Your goals need to be specific. They need to be crystal clear. Instead of grow my business, say increase revenue by 20% by Q4. They need to be measurable. Attach metrics so you can track progress. If you can't measure it, you can't manage it. They need to be achievable. Set a goal that stretches you, but is still realistic. Dream big, but keep it grounded. They need to be relevant. Make sure your goal aligns with your long-term vision and values. They should be time-bound. Deadlines create urgency. Whether it's 30 days, 90 days, or a year, give yourself a timeline. Evaluate. Regularly check in on your progress. Are you on track? If not, adjust. And finally, reward. Celebrate the milestones along the way. Positive reinforcement keeps you motivated. Now that your goals are smarter, how do you make sure you stick to them? First, write them down. Studies have shown that written goals are 42% more likely to be achieved. Put them somewhere where you'll see them daily. Next, break them into steps. Big goals can feel overwhelming. Break them into smaller, actionable steps and tackle them one at a time. Next, create accountability. Share your goals with a mentor, a coach, or even your team. Provide accountability keeps you on track. Then you need to track your progress. Use tools like spreadsheets, apps, or a simple journal to record wins and identify areas for improvement. We need to stay flexible. Life happens. If you hit a roadblock, pivot your approach, but stay committed to the outcome. So, here's my challenge to you. Share your top business goal for 2025 in the comments below. And let's inspire each other to start strong and make this year the most impactful yet. Thank you so much for joining me today. Setting goals that stick isn't just about the start of the year. It's about creating a system that keeps you focused, motivated, and inspired. With the smarter method, you can turn your goals into achievements and your vision into reality. I'm Angie Dobransky, and I'll see you next time with more tips for radical success.